welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starry, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Starry. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I am back today with another recipe from the Gudetama Cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making Unconcerned about this omelet. Look at him. Look at him. Isn't he so cute? Yes. But that's what we're making today. I want to thank Tila so much for suggesting this recipe to try over on TikTok. If you guys are interested in the Gudetama Cookbook and you want to see me try something from this recipe, I will leave options of what to choose from at the end of the video. I will have a timestamp as well as somewhere on the screen on where you can go for where the options are. So if you want me to try something, I got you. I don't really honestly make omelets way too often. Honestly, I don't even feel confident in my omelet abilities. I feel like I haven't really made omelets much, if at all. I don't know. I mean, I assume an omelet is just throwing eggs together and mixing it and then flipping it. I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're making today. So it doesn't seem like it's going to be too much. Honestly, it's quick and simple, you know. A lazy breakfast. It's kind of lunch, so a lazy lunch. But I'm not very confident in my omelet making abilities, so I can't guarantee it's going to look like an omelet towards the end, but I'm really good at making scrambled eggs. So there was a period in time actually when I tried to make omurice whenever I was younger. But I never folded it over because I would keep putting too much on the egg to like fold it. So I would just dump it onto the rice. It was good as shit though, so I'm gonna try making that again sometime. Memory unlock. I don't think it's going to end up looking like an omelet, but I'm going to follow the instructions and see how it works out. So looking good, looking great. But we have, look how long this little thing is right here. Wow. And then it doesn't look like that there are too many steps. I mean, if you've ever made an omelet before, I don't know. But it doesn't seem like it's too bad. And guess what cheese we're using today? We're using more of the Gruyere. If I'm using a cheese this much already, I should learn how to properly pronounce it. Based on the picture, you know, it's literally a ham and cheese omelet, so. And there's so much that you can do with an omelet, like so much you can add to it, so. Omelets. Anyway, let's go ahead and read what it says right up here. Omelets are synonymous with breakfast. It's always the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about a morning meal. The dish's popularity is based on customability, that's it, as omelets can be filled with as much or as little as you like. With so many options, it can be overwhelming, but you can never go wrong with the classic ham and cheese combination. Cooking an omelet may seem like a huge undertaking, but they're easier to make than you think. They just need to be pampered a little, then left alone. Isn't that what we all want out of life? Yeah, honestly, low-key. Yeah, that's true though. Word to that. The real test is going to be the folding part. I don't think I have like a square. Oh, I do. I don't really have any good spatulas, so. I mean, it should be fine, right? I don't know. If it doesn't look like an omelet, it's still gonna be food that you can eat, regardless, so. And if you mess up eggs, yeah, eat it. I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. The omelet makes one serving, and it is easy, so I'm going to be making 2 servings today. It's going to be fine regardless, so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. And here are the ingredients. Wow. Like I said, I'm going to be making 2 servings, so I did separate it, but it's honestly not a lot. In a medium bowl, whisk the eggs and milk, set aside. In a non-stick skillet over medium heat, place the butter until melted. Pour in the eggs, season with salt and pepper. Add the ham and cheese. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or just until the eggs start to set. Turn off the heat and place the lid on the skillet. Let it sit for 6 minutes or until the eggs are set. Fold the omelet in half to serve. Oh. Okay, well, here's my attempt to fix it. I have to say good enough. It's okay. Okay. We're under it. Okay. Please stay still. Brother, please. Okay. It's breaking. Oh my god. It's just... Oh, it's breaking. Ah. Okay. Nope. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe I should do this side. I don't know. I think I'm just flubbed either way. Alright. Now it's time to commit. Arson. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god. It got worse. Okay, whatever. How did it get worse? Well, I'll eat that one. Alright, and here's the reveal. Okay, so, I'm crying. Oh my god, it's so bad. You know, like those fish pictures, posing with the fish. Okay, I'm done. I'm done listening. Now it's time to try it. I'm hungry. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Oh, I see.
Okay. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I cooked this one long enough, but it's still cooked and... Mm-hmm.
I can tell.
Cool. I think yours is good.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I think it tastes like an omelet, like it normally would. It tastes good. I like it.
It tastes great, though. Isn't she beautiful? I'm glad it tastes good. I still can't make omelets, so... I don't know. I hate how bad it turned out. I'm so upset with it. But that's okay. It still worked out. The first one, wow. I was like, man, I can't believe how badly I messed it up. And I'm like, okay, it'll definitely go better the second time. No. But it's okay. The attempt was there, the food was made, it was still edible, and it was delicious, so yay! Maybe try again one day, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Would I make it again? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to make omelets anymore. So that means I need to make more. I need to try more. How do you guys like your omelets, if you do like omelets? Or if you don't like omelets, is there like an egg treat that you guys like scrambled eggs? How do you like your eggs? Over easy? Well done? That's a steak. That's another one done from the Gudetama Cookbook. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from this cookbook, I have a list of options right here for you guys. So if there's anything that you want me to make from there, here is the list. You can pause to read if you need to. So if there's anything that you guys want me to make, please let me know in the comments down below and I will do my best on making it. Is it going to be perfect? No. Is it going to be even remotely like the image? Probably not, but I'll do my best. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. What did you guys think of today's video? If you guys ended up liking this video, please don't forget to leave a like and or a comment. But yeah, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!